have studied in the last session. The problem, with the help of that, we are going to understand. So, what is the minor of the minus 1? If you want to find out what is the minor of the element minus 1, it is nothing but leaving this row and element and column in which it is present, remaining what it is here? Minus 2. That is the minor of this minus 1. Similar, of 4, if you take the element 4, its minor is leave the row and the column. What remains? 3. So 3 is the minor of this 4. Similarly, coming to 3, minor of 3 is row and column if you leave. 4 is the minor, and of 4, 2. So this and this if you leave, minus 1 is the minor of minus 2. Minus 2, its minor is minus 1. Its minor is this, its minor is this, its minor is this, its minor is this. So like this, opposite elements are the elements minor of this each element in the 2 by 2 order matrix. Let us find the cofactor of the elements. So what is the formula for cofactor? It is minus 1 to the power I plus j into mij. This is the formula. So actually, if you don't want that, plus minus minus plus. If you assign the sign to this minor of these elements, so its minor is minus 2. So plus is. So plus 2 plus into minus is minus. So minus 2 itself. Or if you want to apply this formula, then how to do? Minus 1 to the power first row, first column. And then what is the minor here? Minus 2 is the minor. Mij. Already calculated this. Minus 2. So this is the minus. That is equals to 1 plus 1 is 2. It is even number. So minus will go. What is the cofactor there? Minus 2 itself is the minus. Minus itself is the minus. Similarly, coming to the next 1 plus first row, second column. First row, second column. 1 plus 2. What is the minor? It is 3. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 is odd. So minus will come here and minus into this 3 is minus 3 is the cofactor of this 3. No, 4. Then coming to the cofactor of 3. It is cofactor of minus 1, cofactor of 4 and cofactor of 3 now. Cofactor of 3 minus 1 to the power. Second row, first column. 3 is second row, first column. 2 plus 1 is 3 odd. So minus 1. But what is the minor here? Minor is 4. So 4 is the minus. So 2 plus 1 is 3 odd. So minus will come here out. Minus into this 4. If whenever power is odd, minus I have to write. Whenever power is even, minus will go. That you have to say. Because minus 1 to minus 1 is plus 1. Coming to the last one, cofactor of minus 2. Cofactor of minus 2. That is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2. Minus 2 here is second row, second column. Second row, second column. 2 plus 2 into this. What is the minor of this? Minus 1. Minus 1. So 2 plus 2 is 4. It is even. Even means minus will go. So plus it is. Plus into minus 1 is minus 1 is the cofactor of minus 2. So this is how we have to find the minor of the elements and cofactor of the elements. So if you prepare the matrix of this cofactor matrix of this given matrix, cofactor matrix of A is equals to, these elements you have write, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4, minus 1. This is the cofactor of the A. Cofactor of A. Its cofactor matrix is that. So minus 2, minus 1. This will interchange. And only this also will change, but sign also will change. Place also will change here, sign also will change. So this is a cofactor. And then so minor here is how to write simple. Directly in exam they may ask to find the cofactor without asking the minor. So this formula, minor you can decide and then enter it. Okay, this is the 2 by 2. Let us go for 3 by 3 order. Yes, now we have another problem to find the cofactor of each element in the matrix. So 3 by 3 order. It is first row, second row, third. So 3 columns I am going to make here. 3 columns, and then three elements cofactor I will get here. Cofactor of 4. Similarly, cofactor of 1. Cofactor of -1. And then here, cofactor of 0. Here 0. Cofactor of 2. Cofactor of 1. So 1 is repeated, but it is in a different place. So again here, next one, cofactor of 3. 3 minus 1, 1. Cofactor of 3. Cofactor of -1. Cofactor of 1. So like this have to 1. Then cofactor formula is what? Plus minus. Actually directly you can use plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. It is ready-made one. You can apply directly also, but each time you can write -1 to the power I plus k formula into mij. This formula have to apply. So cofactor of this, leaving this row and column, it's cross multiplied. 2 into 1 is 2. Minus 1 into -1 is -1. -1 into minus is +1. So it is into -1. You can write here. Actually, should write first -1 to the power 1 plus 1. What is the answer here? 3 and power is 2 plus 1 plus 1 is even. Minus will go. 3 is the cofactor of 4. Coming to this element. So -1 to the power, first row, second column, and leaving this row and column, multiply 0 into 1 is 0, minus 3 into 1 is 3. So what is the answer here? It is odd, minus will come, minus 3 into minus 0 minus 3 is minus 3, minus 3 minus plus 3. Plus 3 is the cofactor of this. Now coming to this -1, leave this row and column. So -1 to the power, first row, third column, first row, third column, and 0 into -1 0, that is 0, minus 3 into 2 is 6. So that is, it is even, minus will become plus here, and 0 minus 6 is minus 6. So this is a cofactor of -1. So these are the cofactors. These are the cofactors of these elements. Coming to this, I will take little space here. It will be congested. Spaces, I show the spaces. Cofactor of 0. So -1 to the power. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. So leaving this and this, what remains? 1 into 1, 1. Another into -1 is +1. So 1, actually +1 formula ka minus will be there. So what is the answer? It is order. So minus remains 1 and 1 0. 0 is the cofactor of 0 itself. Let's coming to cofactor of what? 2. Cofactor of 2, -1 to the power, second row, second column. So leaving this row and this column. 4 into 1, 3 into -1. That is 4. 3 into -1 -3. -3 and minus is +3. So that is, it is even. So minus will become plus here, 7. So 7 is a cofactor. 7 is the cofactor. Then of 1. So leaving this row and column. 4 into -1 is -4. 3 into 1 is 3. So -1 to the power, second row, third column. You have to leave this row and column. 4 into -1 is -4. -4. Minus 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. So -3 here equal to, it is odd, so minus 7. And 4 minus 3 is minus 7. Minus 7 and this minus plus 7. It is plus 7. This is a cofactor. This is how we have to find the second row. It is first row elements, these are second row elements, these are third row elements. So I will be making space here. So I will be doing the same that one. It is first row, it is second row, and it is third row. So repeating the same way, so we will apply the same formula. That is minus 1 to the power I plus j. So 3 is in third row, first column. So I have to write here third row, first column. Third row, first column. So here we have to leave this. 1 into 1 is 1, and 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. And formula का minus 2 plus 2. So 3 plus 1 is even. It will go. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 is the cofactor. 3 is the cofactor. If you want to find the minor, you should not use this I plus j. This I plus j, you should not use this one in the formula when you are asked to find only the minor. आपको खाली माइनर को फाइंड करना है तो माइनस 1 टू द पावर I plus j इस्तेमाल नहीं करना है. ठीक है. अगर इसमें करें तो कोफैक्टर बन जाता है. It will become cofactor if you use this. Next, cofactor of minus 1. Cofactor of minus 1. Minus 1 to the power. Minus 1 to the power. Leaving this row and column. 4 into 1. 0 into minus 1. So 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0. Here this picture on third row, second column. 3 plus 2 is 5. It is odd. Odd means minus incoming. So minus 4. Minus 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 into minus is minus 4. The cofactor of minus 1. Coming to the last one, cofactor of what here? Cofactor of 1. Cofactor of 1. That is equals to minus 1 to the power. Third row, third column. Third row, third column. Third row, third column. So we have to leave this row and column. Remaining element is 4 into 2 is 8. 8 minus 0. 8 minus 0. So it is even. 3 plus 3 is 6 is even. So it will become plus. So 8 is a cofactor. 8 is a cofactor. So now you have to write the determinant of matrix of you have to enter all these elements in this. First it is 3 and then again 3 and then minus 6. Coming to this second 0 and 7 and again 7. Coming to this 3 minus 4 8. So this is a cofactor matrix of the given matrix. Cofactor of A. Cofactor of A is this. Cofactor of A is this. Got it? So let us go for next part of this topic. Yes, students, now we are going to understand about the adjoint and inverse of a matrix. What is adjoint? Adjoint of a matrix and inverse of a matrix. Two things. Adjoint of, let us know first what is adjoint. Adjoint of a matrix is obtained by replacing the elements by cofactors and taking its transpose. So here is a explanation about the same here. Suppose this is a given matrix. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. And you know how to find out the cofactors of each element and how to enter the same in this matrix format. And then cofactor of a matrix A is if it is a result. There is M11 is a minor and is a cofactor. M11 minus M12, M13 minus M21, M22 minus M23. M31 minus M32, M33. These are the cofactors of each element. And these elements cofactors we have written here in this format. This is a cofactor matrix of the given matrix. And if you take the transpose of the same matrix, if you take, that is going to be what? Adjoint of that matrix, adjoint of A. Transpose means what? The row should be written as a column. This second row will be second column. Third row will be third column. So transpose you have taken. Transpose you have written. Transpose of a matrix A is what? The adjoint of a given matrix. Adjoint. This is the adjoint of this given matrix. Then what is the inverse of a matrix? Inverse of a matrix, if you want to find, continuing here, inverse of a matrix, formula is a inverse of a matrix, inverse of A. Formula is adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Provided it should not be the singular matrix. It should not be singular matrix. Its determinant value should not be 0. Then only the inverse of the matrix exists. Otherwise, we will not get the inverse of the matrix. If it is singular matrix, we will not get the inverse of the matrix. So this is a formula to find the adjoint of A, that is the inverse of A. First, you have to find out adjoint of A, and then its determinant value. So divide both, you will get the inverse of the given matrix. So this is the theoretical part of this adjoint of inverse of matrix. Okay. So now let us take the problems of this. Now here I have taken the problems to find adjoint and inverse of a matrix of a second order. That is, let us find the first problem solution. A equals to 1, 3, minus 2, 4. This is the given matrix. Now I have to write the minor of A. Minor of the given matrix A equals to, its minor is 4. Its minor is minus 2. Its minor is 3. Its minor is 1. This is the minor of this given matrix. Now I have to write the cofactor of A. Cofactor of A given matrix. So for that, this plus minus plus sign, you have to attach each element. Here this plus, for this minus, for this minus, for this plus, then you have to multiply. So it will be plus into 4 is plus 4, minus into minus is plus 2. So this is the cofactor. 3 into minus 3, 1 into plus 1 is 1 only. So this is a cofactor matrix. So what is the adjoint of A? That is adjoint of A. So adjoint of A. Adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is transpose of cofactor. इसका transpose बनना है. Transpose में तो rows will become column. 4 to like this will written, but to write column wise. Minus 3, 1. This will write column wise. Minus 3, 1. So this is the adjoint of the given matrix. This is the adjoint of the given matrix. It is a detailed method, but sometimes you need to do in a very shortcut method. While doing shortcut method, see this, compare this and this, 1 and 4. Compare this here, 1 and 4, 4 goes here and 1 comes here. And this 3 and minus 2, 3 and minus 2, 3 and 2, where they are 3 and 2 to write. Only thing is, you have to change the sign of this. It will become plus, it will become minus. So directly you have to write like this. This is a shortcut method to write the adjoint of the given matrix only of second order. Change the numbers along with the sign. Write the numbers as it is, only change the sign of this. Only change the sign, change the places. And directly we will get the adjoint of the given matrix. But when if you ask to find the cofactor, minor, this is everything you have to work out. Okay. So let us do it shortcut with the triangle sum. Second sum. So I am doing it in shortcut directly I am going to write minus 3 0 5 1. It's adjoint of A. Directly I will write to adjoint of A. Given matrix A. What you have to do? Change it. This one goes here, minus 3 comes here. And only you have to change the sign. 0 and 5 as it is, but you have to change the sign. This plus it will become minus. For 0 you need not change the sign. This is adjoint. Now adjoint. Directly, one step answer. If you want to find the inverse, A inverse how to find? You have to find the determinant value of A. So minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. 5 into 0 is 0. So minus 3 is the determinant value of a given matrix. So A inverse of the given matrix, we have to write symbolically like this. That is, A inverse is formula adjoint of A upon determinant of A. So adjoint of A is this. That is 1, 0, minus 5, minus 3 whole upon minus 3 whole upon minus 3. This is minus 3. So minus, this is the A inverse. This is A inverse. In previous sum we did not find the A inverse. Let us find that also. For some A inverse, so determinant value, what is the adjoint of A? For some this one, adjoint of A upon determinant of A. Adjoint of A directly writes here. Directly. 4 goes here, 1 comes here. And it is minus 3 and it is 2. Determinant whole upon. So 1 into 4. Determinant is cross multiplication. 4 minus 3 into 6 is minus 6. Minus 6 is plus 6. So 10 is the determinant value of this. So here comes 10. This is first problem, A inverse. Inverse of the given matrix. So I have to do very small sums. It will come for 2 marks and 3 marks like that. Sometimes objective 1 marks also they will put a multiple choice questions like this. So I have to practice more which formula, how to work in shortcut and all. Okay. The detail also should know. Sometimes you will be asked to find minor, cofactor, how to find that also you should keep in mind. Shortcut will not help you always. Okay.